Well, it's that time where we have to wrap up our current atomic structure unit, and so welcome to Lesson 5, the Chapter 5 and 28 and midterm review lesson. In this lesson, we're going to review both atomic structure in Chapter 5, nuclear chemistry in Chapter 8, but we're also going to take a look back to what we've covered so far this semester. So we're going to go back into Chapter 1 and talk about that introduction to chemistry. We're going to go back into Chapter 2, talk about matter and change, get into the kinetic theory in Chapter 10. Then we'll look back at our metric system, sig, figs, density, and other scientific measurements in Chapter 3. We'll move on to Chapter 4, where we have our conversion problems, and we try to figure out how many miles are in a foot and things like that. And then we have our Chapter 5 atomic notes and our Chapter 28 nuclear notes. Finally, you can see down at the bottom of these resources, we have our trusty answer keys. Please make sure you're going back and checking some of those things out. In addition to all the notes posted here, we have a midterm review sheet that will take you through those chapters and hopefully help focus you a little bit and tell you what was the most important parts of each of those chapters as we prepare for this midterm. And finally, don't forget to go back to some of those old Edify quizzes. They hopefully gave you the results, and hopefully they gave you some recommended resources afterwards as well. So use those quizzes, maybe take them again if you're allowed to. Check out what the recommended resources that were listed below each one, and see if those resources will help you study. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, there's always email, texting, office hours. Just let us know how we can help you as we gear towards this first semester chemistry midterm exam. Good luck!